Okay, so let's call it onboarding form. And so first thing we just going to ask is, let's add a drop down company size, and I can just say 1 to 10, 10 to 15, 50 plus, and you can also add the other option. So you can just say, you can delete this, but you can say give the other option, right? And you can also set the defaults here, default or randomize the options if you want. All of that can be here. Select company size. So that's the placeholder text that will show here. Okay, next thing, we can have checkbox. Where did you hear about it? And I can say YouTube, LinkedIn, Google, word of mouth, and again I can enable the other option. Next thing is again double / to get all the form options quickly. You can have multiple choice, drop down, multi-select, number, email, phone number, request a link, add a rating, how smooth was your onboarding, right? And you can even change the numbers. So I can say instead of 5, make it out of 10, right? And again, you can set the default answer to 5 or something, but I'm not going to do that here. You can add so they can rank your top priority for using CurateIt, right? And I can say AI chat, AI writer, Chrome extension, blog publisher, or I'll just add another one. Yeah, and you can also color code this. Again, required, not required. You can make some fields optional. So I'll make this optional, for example. You can change color if it's repeated randomly, and you can also add a linear scale. So they can select from 0 to 10. You can add labels, right label, left label, right? And I can just change the wording, gray, bad, okay. And if you want a bigger scale, you can skip the count as well. So you can create a whole form, right? And you can simply save this, publish it, or preview it. So you can preview this. As you can see, you can preview this, you can select, test it out, you can move things around for this, set a rating, submit this, right? This is a preview, but you can do the same thing. Once you are ready, you can click publish, and then anybody can use it. Again, you still have all the other options of the platform. If you want to add a call to action button, if you want to add an image, you can still do those things. So you can still upload images and talk about the platform, or just want to give an intro. You can just use the AI writer to say, write an intro to curated onboarding form. There we go. Brilliantly created. So now you got the form ready. You can publish it and yeah, share it with anybody, add it into your own website. Any of those things is possible. So hope you like this quick tutorial. If any questions, please let us know.